Hello, my name is Malcolm and I'm here to introduce to you the Magic Heating Box. The Magic Thermodynamic Box Company have brought together two Irish inventors, Mr. Tim Cremin, who's invented the box, and Mr. Michael O'Connell, who's invented the dedicated electronic zoning controller. Together these items produce the revolutionary Magic Box heating system. From humble beginnings, the system has been developed and improved over a number of years so that we can now offer you this cutting-edge technology. The patented box has a TUV design certificate. It's manufactured under ISO 9001 and 14001. It has a CE mark and has a guarantee. The Magic Heating Box is installed between the boiler and the radiator system. Before starting the installation, the system has to be power flushed. The box is manufactured of 6.5mm mild steel. It's double skinned and has 28mm of insulation. Mild steel is used as it's resistant to limescale.
What my invention does, the main feature of it, is that it reduces the temperature of the boiler down from 75 to 60 degrees. And what we're doing is we're supplying a thermometer with the tank, so to prove to the customer that we have a genuine saving. They can see for themselves that the temperature has been reduced down to 60, and they get more heat in their rooms, they get more hot water, and even temperatures throughout the whole building. It makes a huge difference to the system, and it's a guaranteed fuel saver.
The system has been extensively tested by Trinity College, Dublin. The box has 7 tappings for ease of installation, and it has a 17-litre capacity. Together with the pumps, it increases the rate of water flow by 70%, thereby giving better heating distribution. The boiler temperature can be lowered from a typical 75 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees, thereby saving fuel. With the lower temperature, it also extends the life of the boiler and the plumbing system.
The zone heating controller box is unique in the sense that it's different to any other box that you buy out on the market because it has relay controls which prevent electrical backfeeds in pumps, and because of the Magic Box and needs to be pumped rather than motorised valves applied to the pipework, this is where it became a very valuable piece of control to the new system.
The box automatically extracts air from the system, giving optimum performance, and it shouldn't be necessary to bleed your radiators ever again. For a standard radiator system, savings of at least 30% can be achieved. For every 1 degree that the room thermostat is reduced, savings of between 5 and 10% can be obtained. With underfloor heating, savings of up to 50% can be achieved. The box can be situated close to the boiler or the water cylinder, dependent on the system. With combination boilers, the box has to be close to the boiler. The system can be fitted to vented or unvented systems up to a maximum 3 bar. The patented controller talks to the boiler, the room thermostats and the pumps. It is CE marked and has a certificate of conformity. To achieve maximum savings, the property should be zoned, typically ground floor, first floor and hot water, which will then be controlled separately. The electric controller has been specifically designed to work with the Magic Heating Box. Together, the maximum efficiency of performance will be obtained. The controller can time manage each zone independently, so that heating can be tailored to the individual user needs.
After the vent and cold feed, we've got a bypass valve of the gate valve type, straight into the top of the coil via means of a motorised valve, so that when the coil is satisfied, it diverts it all the way through back into the Magic Heating Box. From there, obviously, it then gets distributed upstairs circuit, downstairs circuit and back to the boiler via a pump.
To test the performance of the system, we use an infrared gun, and that shows the temperature range between the top and bottom of a radiator.
The house was originally set at 21 degrees C. We have now also turned the room step down to 19 degrees C because of the improved heating efficiency of the system.